Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Summer is finally done. It was actually a really good summer. I quite liked it. But if you have been following what I did lately, you'd know that I started my podcast finally. I'm so excited for it. If you guys want the link, I'll just put it in the description. I don't have a schedule yet, but I'm gonna try to upload every Thursday because I want my YouTube uploads to be on Friday. So yeah, maybe that'll change. I don't know yet. Maybe it'll be Wednesday, Friday. We'll see. But yeah, I'm super happy to be back with an outfit video. It's been a while. I'm sorry, I just got back from work. So I tried to do a little something just for the intro. But yeah, I thought I would come back with my back to school outfit videos. This time I went more on the casual route so that everyone can have a little bit of inspo. I know that a lot of you guys you can't wear anything you want, you have uniforms, which I really want to make a video for uniforms as well, but this video is gonna be just some ideas I got if I was going back to school this year. Obviously, I tried to mix summer and fall just because here in France it's still really hot. Like, people went back to school and it's so hot, it's still like summer. So I have a little bit of those, and I also tried to include some sweaters and stuff just for the vibe, because we all know that back to school means fall, kind of, well, almost fall. So yeah, I tried my best. I hope you get some inspo from this video and let me know if you liked it. If you did, please leave a comment and like the video. It always warms my heart when I read your comments. They're so sweet. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and let's just get started. Okay guys, so for this first outfit I'm going with a that girl vibe, which means it's gonna be a lot of clean, comfortable, and also the colors are gonna be more popping. So I'm going for pink, greens, and more vibrant colors. So for this one I didn't really have the pinks that I wanted, but I have this very cute top and bottoms from Cider. Top is a floral with some like cute pink flowers on it, and it's super comfortable. It's cropped up, and I'm wearing this high-waisted, not jeans but pants, and they're green, they're fitted, and I just love how it falls on me. I feel like it's very flattering, and the fit is super comfortable, very clean, everything to have a productive day, I guess. Okay, then I'm going for the soft girl aesthetic. So obviously a lot of soft pastel pink, cute little cardigans, latte kind of vibe. So for this one I'm wearing this Cider top. It's a crop top and it has a little bow, which I thought was perfect for the vibe. I paired it with these pants. I think I got them from Jennifer. I'm wearing this cute handbag that I got from AliExpress. It's also very cute and delicate. Okay, the next outfit is gonna be inspired by fashion artsy girl. So I wanted to go for an artsy girl, but I didn't have everything I wanted. But I'm very, I love these artsy girls that play Animal Crossing all day, and they just knit and they paint and they're super cozy. For this one I'm going for greens and browns and checkered also. So I have this sleeveless vest. Also I had this cute 𝒁𝒾𝓃𝓈 plushie that I thought was adorable because we match, and it's just exactly the vibe I wanted to give off. The next outfit has to be my favorite. I'm going for a anime e-girl kind of vibe. Obviously a lot of purple and black, kind of edgy but not too much. And obviously I'm going with a hoodie. It's very like 𝒸𝓁𝓈 vibe. I got this very cute hoodie from Bershka. They came up with this 𝒸𝓁𝓈 collection, and also they also have like anime inspired hoodies. I had to get it. It's super comfortable. It's also very oversized, which I love. And I paired it with my simple jeans, but I wanted to have like black jeans, but I didn't, so I could have paired it with my skirt, but I thought it would look cute anyways. Also, I'm wearing this kind of bagu, I guess, this purple bagu that I got from AliExpress. It's just a very comfortable fit. Okay guys, for this next one, please let me just explain. I'm going for this nostalgic Pinterest vibe. I know that a lot of you have been seeing these nostalgic stuff on your page. I feel like it's coming back. It's not my style, to be honest. I used to like it back then, but I don't think I'll go back to it. But yeah, I just thought I would include it for those who feel nostalgic of the 2012, I guess. I'm wearing this very cute lace top that was actually gifted to me by my sister's boyfriend. For the next outfit, I'm going to take inspiration from 𝒸𝓊𝓃𝓃𝓀𝓈 girl. It's so hard to pronounce, but basically it's this cottagecore, but also very like library girl. A lot of books, a lot of butterflies and stuff. So again, I'm going for a green and also a little bit more butterfly patterns and stuff. I got inspired by Mochaccino. I love her outfits, and one of her outfits looked like this one. So I'm wearing this shirt that I got from Bershka. It has a butterfly on it, and I just love this fit. It's cute, but at the same time it's very comfortable. Next, I tried to do a dark academia girl, but make it a little bit more soft and cute. So basically I'm going for brown dark colors and sweaters and black pleated skirt. It's a very comfortable outfit to wear to the library. So I'm wearing this oversized sweater that I got from Primark, I think, with this color that I got from AliExpress, and high knee socks. I tied bows in my hair to make it a little bit more like a little softer, a little cuter, because it's more of my style. And lastly, I'm going with the cottagecore girl aesthetic, so obviously a lot of soft colors, mainly white and beige, and also the frilly socks, the bows in the hair, just like very soft colored kind of aesthetic. For this one I went all summery because it's so hot in here. I'm wearing again my Cider cropped shirt, and this skirt that I also got from Cider is long and flowy, and it's just the most comfortable fit. Like, it's very cute and comfortable, but it's very bright because everything is white. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please let me know, and I'll make more of these. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.